Okay, this is what WeVideo looks like when you just go to wevideo.com. And when it's your first time to log on, you can just click on sign up with Google. And this is what the homepage looks like. I've already got some recent edits in here, but yours will be blank when you first log in. You start with 19,000 hours of recording, which is plenty. And this is kind of your home. They call it the dashboard. Okay, so if you want to record your screen, you're going to start a new edit by hitting the plus sign. Right here where is the title. So if you click on that, you can edit it to whatever you need to name it. And then this is the bank of all of the video content that you have accessible to you. There's also images and audio. So there's lots and lots that we have available to us because we have the district license to it. So when you're creating your videos, you can add in audio in the background, music or sound effects. You can also take some of their clips and kind of overlay them. But if you want to keep it simple, then you can just record what you need to say and then publish it. So up here at the top, the little folder with the star is your media. And so these are different videos that I've recorded and uploaded from my phone, and then some that I've recorded from my screen. So if I want to record my screen, then you click on the record button. Then you click if you want to do your webcam or your screen or both together. So if you just want to do your screen, you click OK. It's going to ask you which microphone to use. Just leave it as the default and then click next. And then you select which screen you want to record, which is basically just like which tab. And then you click share, and then it's going to do a countdown for you. And then it will start recording. It'll do a little 3, 2, 1, and it'll start recording. And then you'll get a little pop-up down here in the bottom of your screen that will say WeVideo is sharing your screen. And then there's the button to click stop sharing, and that's how you end your video. So I'm going to do that, and then I will show you what it looks like once it's in my media. Okay, so now that I recorded that clip that I just was talking to you, it pops up right here in my media. And you can tell it's thinking, but the nice thing about WeVideo is once it starts downloading it, you don't need to stay there and watch it anymore. It's already like in their little queue, and so it's going to be good to go. So if I want that clip to be in my video, I need to drag it down here to the video 1 bar. And it starts out making it really big, and you can click this minus sign if you need to. But basically, you're just dragging it into your editor. And then up here is a preview window. So if I have this clip and then I want to add another clip, like let's say this one, behind it, I can just click it and drag it right next to it. And you can see if it's green, then that means that's a good spot, and it turns red if you are putting it over the top of something. Let's say I messed up on this recording and I just want to keep part of it. I can drag this blue marker to wherever I want it to stop. And then if I click the scissors, it's going to cut it in half. Let me do it with this clip so I don't mess that one up. Click the scissors, it cuts it in half right where you put that. And then let's say I want that section to be gone, so I can just click on that and press the delete button on my computer. And then if I need to scoot this over, I just click it and drag it to where it needs to go. So I'm going to go ahead and delete that out. Okay, so then if this is all I want in my video, then I can just sort of stop and finish there. You can also input text, or you can record yourself in a webcam and put that in the beginning, like saying hello or whatever to your class. You can also give instructions maybe at the end. You can put audio over it. So let's say I wanted to put some inspirational music. I would just drag that down here to the audio line. And that volume is all the way at 100, and the volume on my video is all the way at 100. See, it's all the way at 100. So I want to turn the volume down if I'm going to have background music. And you can play it and preview and see how it sounds. And then when I'm ready to be done, I just come up here and click finish in the top corner. It lets you select your thumbnail, You can change the title here if you need to, and then you want to make sure it says video with audio. And I would go ahead and change this into high definition, and then where you want it to go. So go ahead and click your Google Drive. It's going to make a WeVideo folder for you, which is really nice. And then you just click export, and that is the whole process. So it's pretty easy. And then you'll go find your video in your Google Drive and add it to your Google Classroom assignment, or provide the link or whatever you need to do with the video. I hope this helps.